everyone. I hope that you are well. So today our group is going to present our findings about computer system and 21st century literacy. This topic matters because technology is no longer optional. It's a part of learning, working, and the communicating. So first of all, we introduce ourselves. I'm Ejadi Hussein.
I'm Chandra Kusuma.
And I'm Evan Natriacha.
So first of all, there is a question arise: why 21st century literacy matters? So 21st century literacy refers to skills needed in today's digital world. According to the Sulis Yarini 2020, these skills include: the first of all is the digital literacy, so using digital tools effectively. The second one is the communication. This one will be complete through the expressing our ideas through using digital media and etc. The third one is collaboration, working together online using iCloud tools, cloud tools. And the fourth one is creativity, creating digital content like posters, videos, and designs. The fifth one, the critical thinking. It will be complete for analyzing information and verifying that for different type of reference, journals, and different things. So these skills are essential because almost every job and classroom activity requires technology. So understanding computers is not just a technical; it supports our future career. So the second question we have arised here is what is a computer system? So first of all, a computer system is made up of three measures. The first one is the hardware, the physical components, like you can say it will be a mouse, a monitor, CPU, etc. The second we have is the software, the programs and the instructions, like you can say there is a browser, application, and etc. Different type of things. And the brainware. The brainware is the people who operate and manage the system behind using the software and hardware. So the brainware is, you can say, the brain of using the operating system, the physical components, software, etc. So the further will be dealt by the Chandra Kasuma.
Okay, so I'll explain about the computer system models. So basically, computers handles information through five simple steps. The first one is inputs. This is when we enter something into the computers, like typing keyboard or clicking a mouse or even using a camera. The next one is processing, where the CPU works behind the scenes to interpret and calculate all that we input. And after that comes an output, which is, well, what the computer shows us, like something appearing like in the monitors or speakers. And then next one we have storage, where the computer saves informations temporarily, like in RAM, or permanently, like in hard drive or SSDs. And finally, the last one is communications, which how computers send and receive data through networks over the internet. Then summary is, hardware is everything physical that you can actually touch, like a computers. We usually group hardware into four main categories, like input device, output, processing units, and storage device. So this, as I explained before. And next one is software summaries. Software, so basically the sets of programs that tell hardware what to do. We can divide softwares into three main types, like first, operating systems, second is application software, and then the fifth one is utilities. So operating system is like Windows, Mac, or Linux that manage the computer memories, control the hardware, and give us the interface like every day we use computers. And then softwares like PowerPoint, browser, Canva. These applications help to boost productivity and support creativity. And the last one is utility, which helps maintain and protect the computers. For example, like antivirus programs or cleanup tools and file compressions and etc. Without the softwares, even the most advanced hardware wouldn't be able to do anything useful. Okay, next will be explained by Bayu.
Now I will explain the brainware. So the brainware is a driver to the humans involved in computing. So we have the responsibilities engineer, computers, developers, and administrators who three main brainware using. So for the first one, user, they laptop, phone, for browsing, checking news, makes decision. Am I want to share this news or not? If it's like real time of news, then it's good. But you have to be careful with the news if it's AI or not. And then for troubleshooting problems, it's like we are using the technology to solve some problems, like everyday problem, how to use this, how to use that. And then for developers, we are using for create apps, websites, and programs. Just like the normal users, they use all like that too. And then the administrator is manage networks and systems. So basically the three of them is responsible for decisions like what the tool to use and how to solve problems and how to interpret the results. So let's go to the next slide. Then we have the connection to 21st century skills. So this slide explains how hardware, software, and brainware support modern digital skills. So for the hardware, in the digital literacy, knowing how device works helps us choose the right tools and fix missing pieces. Like using the tools for, using laptop or doing some, assignment, and then using your phone for browsing. And then the second one is software. It's used for creativity, communication, collaboration. So, tools like Google's Document, Canva, or video editors that allow students to design, edit, write, collaborate, and make the more creative and more communication for video editors also like on YouTube or TikTok, for example, and then the collaboration also like the content creator ones. Brainware is for critical thinking and problem solving. So computers can detect errors, but only humans can judge the cause and decide the right solution. It's like the users, developers, and administrators like before. So these methods and Rahman, who states technology becomes meaningful when humans use it purposefully. Let's go to the next slide. Next slide is digital responsibility. In a highly connected world, we must use technology responsibility. That includes digital safety for using strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding suspicious links. And then for the privacy awareness is for understanding what personal data is shared online. For the cyber hygiene is giving software update using antivirus, backing up the data. And the second one, digital communication is used for everything we post need a permanent trace, good or bad. So like when you sending message to someone, you raise it in that message, then it was your digital footprint. Like that. So for the last one, I think for the netiquette. So all of this we need for communicating politely, giving credit, avoiding harmful behavior. So that will make you become more safety in the internet, like not using your private data to someone into the internet, yeah. Pangarap po, and it's true, is emphasized that ethics and safety are essential for digital private life. So let's go to the last slide. Yeah, so we have the conclusion. The computer system consists of hardware, software, and firmware. Two, these elements support 21st century skills like digital literacy, creativity, collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. Then, ICT integration is essential for modern education and workforce readiness. Yeah, like the hardware, software, firmware is counting system in the digital era that you must have to, how do I say, learn how to use it. Make yourself how more be have to benefit from this work with this technology. Yeah. So maybe that's all from us. Thank you for listening and watching. We're now ready, yeah, to answer your questions. I think that's the question. So bye bye.